We're America First. We started in business in 1939. We have over 100 branches in 6 states now. We have 1.5 million members, which makes us one of the largest credit unions in the nation. Ever since I've been here, it's always been about member service. What are we doing to serve the member? Are we helping them in the good times and the bad times? So a common theme for those 40 years I've been here is always member service.
I think in regards to what makes us different is the fact that we are leading edge when it comes to technology, but also providing that human element in our branches. And as far as the technologies that we're bringing to our membership, we're always looking at what's next, how will that benefit the member? And so we're not focused on just one area. We're focused on our branches, our call center technology, our video banking solutions that we're having, our ATMs. So we're really pushing that forward. And I think we lead out when it comes to technology.
So I've been with America First for 35 years, and throughout that time frame, we've seen our ATM fleet grow from 45 ATMs to just over 200 now. So when we first set out to replace our ATM driving solution, we were experiencing some issues with our current system. We weren't able to add any new functionality. It was costly to do any updates or mandates. We did settle on Diebold. They had a lot of the functionality that we were looking to add was already pre-built into their software solution.
The great thing about our relationship with Diebold is I will call it a partnership. Partnership's one where both sides trust and count on each other to make each other better. We've upgraded our ATMs based off of the Diebold hardware. In fact, we've done that 4 times now in 30 years. The software's evolved as well. When it came to our latest project, which we'll talk about, called TM, or Transaction Middleware, brought live in May of 2023, that's when we started connecting all of our ATMs to TM. The biggest part of the project probably was the next phase, which was bringing on what we call an issuer transaction. So America First issues cards, and wherever those cards are used, they're used at other ATMs, they're used online for purchases, they're used at merchants. That represents about 90% of our volume. Transaction Middleware now handles over 2 million transactions a day at peak volume. We're now working on phase 3. Phase 3 is innovation. We're going to bring in some member requests. A lot of members have asked us for tap authorization. Instead of inserting, you can just tap your card. We're going to bring in digital receipts. And they're also going to bring in another service that's called recycling. It allows us to take the money that comes in from deposits, recycle it, and use it for withdrawals. And that gets rid of a tremendous number of costs. So that's phase 3. A fast follower is phase 4. Phase 4 is something Jeremy will talk about.
Yeah, so where we're at right now, we have ATMs and we have IVT. So very soon we're going to be moving to the solution where when a member rolls up to one of our ATMs, it's going to be either solution on the same machine. It will be IVT, and they'll be able to escalate that transaction to a video teller, or they'll be able to stay in that ATM mode and be able to do transactions. And there will be a lot of flexibility and it will be a lot of member choice. We're giving the member the opportunity to choose at any given point during that transaction to escalate to a teller, and that's something that we've never provided before. There's a lot of wins in working with Diebold on this, and for us to go all in on this solution really is kind of paving the way for us in the future to be ahead of our competition.